Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing the essentials, verify ink, study the map, and pick a loadout that fits your role. Once done, move to a nearby flank and spray a controlled corridor to bait opponents into predictable paths. Prioritize positioning over kills early. Gaining turf creates pressure. Make sure to watch refill timers and your escape tool so you can sustain aggression. This opening buys you map control and forces the enemy into reactive play, setting up the next phase. You transition into the middle by tightening rotations and pressuring key angles. Once done, use your special to break enemy formations, then immediately exploit the gaps created. This keeps momentum on your side. Coordinate with teammates for cleanup trades and force splits. 2 players focusing one target wins fights. Make sure to retake ink quickly and prioritize safe resets when outnumbered. Because sustaining control lets you dictate objective timing and you close the match by synchronizing a decisive push. Pick a window when enemy resources are low and press with specials to overwhelm single targets. Once done, lock the objective area and deny enemy recovery by controlling spawn lanes and refills. Make sure to call short resets if hits go wrong. Retreat smartly, bait a chase, then punish the overcommitment. Troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly fail engagements, switch to a supportive loadout and focus on creating trades rather than solo kills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.